Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Backbone one, and this is the one that has a type C port which you're going to be able to insert in your phone. So this one is actually for Android devices that supports type C or that uses type C for charging the phone, and then also iPhone 15 models can also use this device, right? So I'm actually going to be unboxing it, and then you guys are going to see how it looks like. So out of the box, this is how the device looks like, and then we're just going to drop this one right here. And then when we open it, you can see how everything is being arranged in the box. Very cool and nice. And then when you pick this thing right here, which was a bit difficult to remove, and when you open this box, you're going to see some spare holders which you're going to use in holding the phone when you insert it into the Backbone, and that is pretty much very cool. So the next we are going to be seeing in the box is this paper right here, which is actually a QR code which you're going to use and scanning to get the application on your device, or you can go to the App Store or Play Store and then get the application in order to use in controlling this device. When you stretch it up, or when you tap on the toggles, you're going to see it feels very solid, and when you stretch it up it feels strong too, but I doubt it's going to be able to fit, an iPad is going to be able to fit in it or any other tablet because it's not too stretchy like I thought. But it's quite cool, and you can see the headphone jack and then also the type C port where you're going to be able to insert your charger whilst using this device in case your phone is running low whilst gaming, so you don't have to worry yourself if you are gaming and then your phone is getting low. Aside that, when you open the box again, you're going to see the paperwork right here, which is quite cool, and I doubt people are going to read this one because I mean everything is on the internet. You can just watch it and then know how to use it. But I'm going to be doing a follow-up video on more games, and if you have any recommendations of games you want me to test for you to know whilst this works before getting one, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.